Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can track your parcel on Kakobuy. So what you'll need to do is basically go to kakobuy.com. After that, log into your account and click on User Center at the top right corner, as you can see. And after that, what you'll need to do is go to the left side and click on Parcel. And if you already ordered the parcel, you'll get a tracking number. So copy that tracking number. It usually starts from CJ, and basically go to website like parcelapp.com or 17truck.net, where you can track your parcel. Enter that number and click on track package. And after that, you'll get essential information for your uh, package. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.